My name is Mark Angelo Tasis and I will discuss the elements of database. My first example is table. The table is the simplest and primary unit of organization and storage of data in database. You need this database element to modify and check for stored data. The relationship between the related data related tables make it easy to link them together and figure out what they have in common. A table is a composition of related data items, usually with a unique identity. The next is columns. A column, commonly called a field, is a particular type of data on a table. It is believed that a column only exists in an table while an attribute exists in an entity. A column is the smallest storage element in any database and display related records of a table. A unique data type is given to every column. The data entered into the table will depend on the table's data types. Next, rows. A row is the collection of vertical records in a database. The population of rows in a table is not constant. A collection of data in a row is also known as tuple. And my last example is relationship. There are various tables in a database that are related. A relational database is a modern database that creates links between tables using primary and foreign keys. Entering data in a table and creating links between tables helps to reduce data redundancy in a relational database. There are three types of relationship in a table under the database elements. One-to-one relationship relates one record with another in a different table. One-to-many relationship links one table record to more than one record from another table. Many-to-many relationships are more comprehensive than the first two. Here, many records are linked to records from a different table. Consequent, Consequently, you can connect more records in the second table to many more in the top table. And that's all. Thank you.